Welcome back to Workers.com's Staffing Pulse, Insights from the Frontline. Today's brief episode focuses on something extremely important that can make a huge difference in your paycheck: tracking your time correctly.
Whether you're using an on-site time clock or filling out a paper time card, your pay depends on accurate time reporting.
Missing even one punch or submitting an incomplete time card can impact how much you're paid for the week.
We'll walk through exactly what you need to do each shift to protect your hours and your paycheck.
Why time tracking matters. Your time record is the official proof of the hours you worked.
Payroll relies on these records to calculate your pay correctly.
Every punch or time card entry is like a receipt showing you were on the job and working.
Using a time clock, the 4 most important punches.
1. Clock in at the start of your shift. Clock in immediately when you arrive, before starting work.
2. Clock out when you break for lunch.
3. Clock in when returning from lunch. If you forget, the system may log your time as stayed on lunch for the rest of the day.
4. Clock out at the end of your shift. Clocking out properly protects your full day of pay.
When there is no time clock, paper time cards matter. Some job sites require paper time cards. These must be completed clearly and accurately.
Write down your start time, lunch out, lunch in, end time, and total hours each day.
Missing information can result in missing or delayed pay.
Supervisor or manager approval is required. Paper time cards must be approved and signed by the on-site supervisor or manager before submitting to payroll.
Without approval, payroll may not be able to process your hours.
How mistakes impact your pay. Missing punches or incomplete paper time cards affect your paycheck.
Corrections may not be resolved before payroll closes, reducing or delaying pay.
Best habits to stay on track. Punch in first thing. Set reminders. Double-check punches. Fill out paper time cards daily. And always get supervisor approval.
Final takeaways. If you use a time clock, don't miss a punch.
If you use a paper time card, fill it out completely and accurately.
Always get it signed before submitting to payroll.
Track your time. Submit it correctly. Get paid right.
Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time. And be sure to subscribe and follow us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, or your favorite podcast platform so you don't miss future episodes.